Motion in a magnetic field. We will now consider in great detail the motion of a charge moving in a magnetic field. We have learnt in mechanics in previous class that a force on a particle does work if the force has a component along or opposed to the direction of motion of the particle. In the case of motion of a charge in a magnetic field, the magnetic force is perpendicular to the velocity of the particle. So, no work is done and no change in the magnitude of the velocity is produced, though the direction of momentum may be changed. We shall consider motion of a charged particle in a uniform magnetic field. First, consider the case of V perpendicular to B. The perpendicular force QV into B acts as a centripetal force and produces a circular motion perpendicular to the magnetic field. The particle will describe a circle if V and B are perpendicular to each other. If velocity has a component along B, this component remains unchanged as the motion along the magnetic field will not be affected by the magnetic field. The motion in a plane perpendicular to B is as before a circular one, therefore producing a helical motion. If r is the radius of the circular path of a particle, then a force of mv square by r acts perpendicular to the paths towards the center of the circle and is called the centripetal force. If the velocity v is perpendicular to the magnetic field B, the magnetic force is perpendicular to both V and B and acts like a centripetal force. It has a magnitude QVB. Equating these two expressions for centripetal force, mv square by r is equal to QVB, which gives r is equal to mv by qb for the radius of the circle described by the charged particle.